Corpbiz.
On 1st March, government notification mandated compliance with the BIS certification norms after 180 days, that is 28 August 2023. The center has approved a quality control order for mandatory certification of cotton bales under specification number IS 12171 2019 cotton bales to augment the supply of good quality cotton to the textile industry. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Corpbiz. Today in this video we are going to throw light on the questions and answers related to BIS certification for cotton bales. So without any delay, let's welcome the member of our R&D team, Mr. Shalin.
Okay, thank you Margesh for welcoming me.
Now let's move to the first question. What is the objective behind bringing cotton bales under the ambit of BIS certification?
Now to answer your first question, to enhance the cotton productivity, the government needed to bring a holistic plan. So an apex committee under the chairmanship of the Secretary of Textiles was constituted for the expeditious implementation of the mission mode project on traceability, certification and branding of cotton bales. So the manufacturers will now have to obtain a license or the BIS license for standard marking by self-certifying that their bales are meeting certain parameters including the staple length, percentage of trash in the cotton, moisture content, actual strength and microneer, and also the uniformity of pressed cotton bales dimensions, which may extend up to 2 years.
Okay, so if the manufacturer has to apply for this certificate, what tests will he need to pass?
So, testing is always been the fundamental component for BIS certification. It involves a comprehensive evaluation of product samples to assess their compliance with the prescribed quality parameters. So, the samples will be collected following a defined sampling process to ensure fairness and accuracy. The samples will then be sent to the BIS approved testing laboratories. These labs will be equipped with advanced equipments and will follow a standardized testing procedure. BIS will ensure that these laboratories meet the required accreditation and competency criteria to perform the necessary test on cotton bales.
Now will you please tell me what are the testing parameters?
So the first will be the fiber length. The length of cotton fibers will be measured to assess their quality and suitability for different textile applications. Next, the sample will be tested for fiber strength to determine their resilience and durability. Next comes the moisture content. The moisture content of the cotton samples will be measured to ensure that it falls within the 8% criteria. Then comes the trash content. The level of impurities such as seeds, leaf particles and other foreign matters that are referred to as trash will be quantified to determine the cleanness of the cotton. It has been fixed at 3%. There are some other relevant characteristics also. Additional tests may also be conducted to evaluate parameters such as microneer value, maturity ratio, fineness, color and other factors that are specified in the standards.
What are the testing methodology used by BIS?
Okay, so testing methodologies involves a standardized procedure to ensure consistency and accuracy of results. These methods are based on established industry practices and recognized international standards regarding the quality and reliability of cotton bales, which will ultimately be promoting a transparency and facilitate fair trade practices in the cotton industry.
Now another question that comes to my mind is, why factory evaluation is important?
Yes, so factory evaluation is an integral part of the BIS certification process, as the assessment of facility will ensure that the facility has the necessary quality control systems and infrastructure in place. This assessment can include examining the facility's layout, the machinery, equipment, storage area and the overall cleanliness. If any deviation or non-compliance issues are identified during the factory evaluation, the BIS authorities may provide recommendations for corrective actions. The manufacturing facility will be expected to address these issues and develop improvement plans to rectify the identified shortcomings. Also, the manufacturing facility's compliance with statutory requirement is necessary, as BIS will verify that the facility operates within the legal framework and meets all the necessary regulatory obligations.
Lastly, we would like to know what are the major challenges in the implementation of this order.
Okay, so the biggest challenge for the industry is meeting the moisture content and maintaining the permissible limit for trash content. So if we talk about the moisture content, due to the variable climatic conditions in different parts of the country, maintaining the limit of 8% moisture can be difficult in some regions. Whereas if we talk about trash content, the amount of trash depends on the ginning practices and is different for different parts of the country. It is the same reason that we see quality of cotton from Gujarat is different from the quality obtained from northern states. There are some challenges for Guinners as well, who will find it difficult to meet the government standards for certification of the bales.
Here comes the end of a very productive conversation with Mr. Shalin. If you are looking for BIS certification, reach out to our Corpbiz experts who will help you in getting the BIS certification. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.